Hello and welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to understand how to create deals in Zoho CRM from LinkedIn lead ads response. So here I'm receiving a lot of leads through my LinkedIn ads, and here my objective is, as soon as I'm going to receive a new lead, then automatically a deal for the same should be created in my Zoho CRM account. So now here to automate the entire process, I need to connect my LinkedIn with my Zoho CRM account using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So now here to see the working of this automation and to learn this process step by step, let me take you all to my screen. Welcome to my screen. So here on my screen you can see my LinkedIn Ads Campaign Manager account, and here I've already drafted a test campaign. So basically here my objective is, as soon as I'm going to receive a new lead through my LinkedIn lead ad, then automatically I want to create a new deal for the same in my Zoho CRM account. So now here to automate the entire process, I need to connect my LinkedIn account with my Zoho CRM account using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So here to access the Pabbly Connect, you need to search for pabbly.com/connect in your browsers, and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Connect. So this is the homepage of Pabbly Connect, and here before moving forward, let me all tell you about the Pabbly community. So this is the Pabbly community where automation users, business owners and marketers connect. You can ask questions, share your workflows and get instant replies and helpful feedback from others who have faced these similar challenges. It is an active and supportive space to learn and grow together. And now you can find the link to join the Pabbly community in the description box below. Make sure to check it out and join the Pabbly community as soon as possible. Alright, let's move back to our Pabbly Connect's homepage, and here you can see two options. One is sign in and the another one is sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get 300 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm going to click on the sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. So here you can observe that it is a single software with so many useful applications. So in this video, we are going to integrate our different applications, and for that we are going to use Pabbly Connect by clicking on this access now. Now this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and here to build my connection, I need to create a workflow first. So for that, I'm going to click on this create workflow button given on the top right corner. And then it is asking me to select the workflow builder. So here you can see two options. One is new beta and the another one is classic. So basically beta version is modern, faster and more flexible, whereas classic one is stable and the familiar approach. So in this video, we are going to use this newly launched feature, that is beta version, by clicking on the select button given over here, and then a create workflow dialog box has appeared in front of us. So here we need to give a name to our workflow. So I'm going to give the name as create deals in Zoho CRM from LinkedIn lead ads responses. And now here after giving a name to my workflow, it is asking me to select the folder. So in the left side corner of this dashboard, you can see a folder section under which you can see the multiple folders that I've already created with different names to save my workflows accordingly. So in this particular case, I'm going to select my folder as automations. You can select the folder as per your need. Also, you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now here to learn how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect, you need to click on this learn more hyperlink given over here, and it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. Alright, let's move back to our Pabbly's dashboard, and here to create a new workflow, we are going to click on this create button given over here. Now here in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow, and here let me tell you that there are two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this, that means action is a response towards that trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up our trigger. So we are going to click on this add trigger, and here as you all know that I am receiving new leads through LinkedIn ads. So I'm going to select my trigger application as LinkedIn and my app event as lead notifications. Then we are going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add a new connection. If your LinkedIn ad account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this connect with LinkedIn. and here you can see we are now successfully connected. So it easily got connected because here I was already logged in my LinkedIn account. So to build an easy connection, make sure you're already logged in your LinkedIn account in the same browser, or else it is going to ask for your account details such as the name and the password for your account. And once you're going to add the details, then automatically your account is going to get connected with Pabbly Connect. Alright, let's move forward, and then here's asking me to select the sponsored account. So now here to get the sponsored account, let me take you back to my LinkedIn Ads Campaign Manager account, and here you can see my account is Pabbly's ad account. So I'm going to select that particular account over here, and now here after selecting the sponsored account, I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here, and here you can see as it is waiting for webhook response. That means here to receive a webhook response, we need to do a test submission, and to do a test submission, we need to generate a test lead in our LinkedIn lead ad. So now here to generate the test lead, let me take you back to my campaigns manager account. So I've already drafted a test campaign under which I've created a test lead form. So for now we are going to generate a test lead in that particular form. So I'm going to select that campaign, and this is that form. And now here we are going to click on the apply now. Alright, so this is a lead form, and here you can see it is asking me to enter the email address and the phone number, whereas the first name, last name and the company name are the static values. That means these are the fixed values and we cannot add these details over here. These are going to remain the same. So the reason behind this is that this is a test lead form, but if you're running a live lead form, then automatically your lead will be able to add all these details. Alright, so here for the email address, we are going to add the email address as test@pabblytudes.com. And here for the phone number, we are going to add a random phone number. Alright, so with this we have successfully added all the details. So we are going to click on the submit, and it says information sent to Pabbly. So let's go and check our Pabbly's workflow, and here we need to wait for some seconds to receive a response. And here you can see we have successfully received a response where we have received the email address, phone number, first name, last name, company name and some other details. So with this we have successfully set up a trigger over here. So once we have received a new lead to our LinkedIn lead ad, then automatically I want to add this lead as a new deal in my Zoho CRM account. So for that what we are going to do is that we are going to add action step over here, and here I'm going to select my action application as Zoho CRM. Then we are going to select the app event as create a deal, and then we are going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add a new connection. If your Zoho CRM account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this connect with Zoho CRM. And here to connect the application, it is asking me to enter the domain of my Zoho account. So now here to get the domain, let me take you back to my Zoho account, and here in the path URL you can see the domain is zoho.com. So we are going to copy the first domain, and then we are going to paste it over here, and then we are going to click on the save. And here you can see Pabbly Connect is requesting for the access. So I'm going to give access to Pabbly as your data is secured with Pabbly. Alright, and here you can see the connection has been successful. So again it easily got connected because here I was already logged in my Zoho CRM account. So to build an easy connection, make sure you're already logged in your Zoho CRM account in the same browser. Alright, let's move forward. Here for the deal name, we are going to give the deal name as follow up with. So here I've manually entered this text because here I want this text to remain the same with all the new deals. So I've manually entered this, and now here I'm going to add the lead's name. So here instead of entering the lead's name manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response that I received in my trigger step or my previous action steps. Mapping makes the text dynamic so that when you're going to receive new lead through a LinkedIn lead ad, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So here for the lead's name, I'm going to map the first name first, then I'm going to enter a space, and then I'm going to map the last name. So this is the deal name. Alright, let's move forward. Here for the stage, I'm going to select qualification from the drop down. You can select it as per your requirement. Here you can see the account has been selected. You can select the account as per your requirement. Here for the deal type, I'm going to select existing business. You can select it as per your requirement. Here this deal amount is not required field, so I'm going to leave it blank. And here for the description, I'm going to enter the remaining details as description. So firstly, I'm going to add the email address of my lead. So this is the email address, and then we are going to map the phone number. So these are some required details. So here I'm entering these details, and here for the phone number, I've mapped the phone number as well. Let's move forward. Here for the lead source, I'm going to select advertisement. You can select it as per your requirement. And then it is asking me to enter the closing date, and it is a required field. That means here I need to add the closing date for this deal. So now here to get the closing date, we are going to add another action step in our automation. So for now, to save this workflow till now, we are going to add a random number, and here we are going to click on this save. And with this, we have successfully saved this step till now. So we are going to add another action step in the between, and here we are going to use a feature of Pabbly, that is date time formatter by Pabbly. And here for the app event, we are going to select the event as modify current date, because here I want that the closing date should be 5 days after the current date of the lead received. So for that, we have used the event as modify current date, and here we are going to click on this connect. Here for the date format, we are going to select the date format that is accepted in the Zoho CRM, and here for the time zone, we are going to select the time zone as Asia Kolkata. You can select it as per your requirement. And here for the operation, I'm going to select add, and here for the units, I'm going to select days, and here I'm going to add the value as 5, because I want to add 5 days time to this date. So we're going to click on the save and send test request, and here you can see we have successfully received the date 5 days after the current date. Alright, so with this, we have successfully set up this action step as well. And now here in our Zoho CRM, we are going to add this particular date received through our date time formatter by Pabbly. Alright, so we are going to enter it. So this is the date. Alright, so now here after entering the date, we are going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And here you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully created a new deal in our Zoho CRM account for the new lead received through our LinkedIn ad. So let's go and check it. Here we are going to refresh it. And here you can see we have successfully created a new deal with the name follow with the Pabbly subscription billing management service. And here you can see the entire details. So with this, we have successfully set up entire automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So if we have selected a trigger as LinkedIn and an action as date time formatted by Pabbly and Zoho CRM, so that when you're going to receive new leads through a LinkedIn lead ad, then automatically using date time formatted by Pabbly, it is going to calculate the closing date. And after calculating the closing date, automatically using all the details, it is going to create a new deal in our Zoho CRM account. Alright, so these were the steps how to create deals in Zoho CRM from LinkedIn lead ads responses. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. And now if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more automation tutorials. Also, if you have any doubts, then feel free to drop them in the comments below. See you in the next video. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, then you can write it at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit this URL. Now, if you liked the video, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.